Hello students. Today in this video I will explain you exercise 5th B. See question number first. First question is 6 more than 4 times a number is 4 less than 5 times the number. You have to find the number. So first of all what we have to do, we will assume let the number is equal to which we have to find, let the number is equal to x. Now 6 more than 4 times a number. What is written here? 6 more than 4 times a number. The meaning of this sentence is 6 more. 6 more means plus 6 you have to do. In which number you have to add this 6? 4 times a number. 4 times a number is 4x. So meaning of this sentence is 4x plus 6. So what is the question? This 4x plus 6 is 4 less. This number is 4 less than 5 times the number. Now we have to write 5 times number. 5 times a number. 5 times a number means 5 into x. That means 5x. So here two numbers we are having. One number is 4x plus 6. Another number is 5x. And what is the question? Question is this number is 4 less than this number. This one is smaller and this one is larger. This one is how much smaller? 4 less. In the question it is written this one is 4 less than this number. So according to question 4x plus 6 is means equal to 4 less. 4 less means minus 4 you will do. In which number you have to subtract this 4? This one, 5 times a number, that means 5x. So first way to do this question is this one. Or one more way is there to do this question. What is the another way? Another and easy way which you have to remember. In the question he said 4x plus 6 is 4 less than this one. That means this number is smaller and this number is larger. This one is a smaller one. How much it is smaller? 4 smaller. This one is larger. How much it is larger? 4 larger. So difference between these two numbers is 4. According to question, we can say that difference between these two numbers is 4. Why difference between these two numbers is 4? Because this one is 4 smaller. Or we can say this one is 4 greater. So what we have to do? Difference between these two is 4. So difference means minus. So first number minus second number is equal to 4. Difference of both number is equal to 4. Now larger number we will write here. Larger one is this one. And this one is a smaller one. So here we have to write this smaller one here. Now we will open the bracket. 5x minus plus minus 4x minus plus minus 6 is equal to 4. 5x minus 4x will be 1x minus 6 is equal to 4. Minus 6 will come on right hand. So 1x is equal to 6 plus 4. So x answer is 10. So we have to find the number. So number is equal to 10. This is your final answer of question number first. Now see another question. Question number second. Third part. Question number second. Part number third. The difference between the square of 2 consecutive odd number. Here it is written 2 consecutive odd. So in even integers and in odd integers what you have to do? We will assume let first odd integer is x. Second odd integer is x plus 2. In even or in odd integer. In both the cases, first number we will take x and second number we will take x plus 2. Why we will take x plus 2? Let's take the example of odd numbers. Odd numbers 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These all are odd number. So here you will observe, if we will add 2 here in 3, it will become 5. If we will add again 2 here, it will become 7. So what we are observing, in each and every step we are adding 2. That's why here first number I have taken x and second number I am writing x plus 2. Now in even case also, let's take the example of even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So 2 plus 2 when we will do, then only we will get 4. So here we are doing plus 2. 4 plus 2 when we will do, then we will get next even number 6. So here also we are adding 2. Here also we are adding 2. So in each and every step in the even numbers we are adding 2 to get the next even integer. So in even or in odd, in both the cases you have to take first integer as x and second integer as x plus 2. If even and odd will not be there, only simple integer will be written, then here we will not add 2, here we will take 1. First will be x and second will be x plus 1. When we have to take x plus 1? In the question where even and odd integer is not given. Simple integer will be there, then we have to take x plus 1. As in the second question first part. Second question first part you have to take first integer x, second integer x plus 1. Okay. So now here we are taken 2 odd integers. First one x and second x plus 2. And question is difference between difference. First of all we write according to question. Difference means minus. Or for difference you know very well, greater number we have to write first and smaller number we have to write afterward. Difference means larger number minus smaller. So among them which one is larger? Second one is larger. So here we have to write second one and here we have to write first one. What is the question? Difference between the squares. Difference means minus. Whose difference we have to do? Squares difference. So here we have to take power 2. Whose square? Second number square minus first number. Why I am writing second here? In the beginning why I am writing second? Because second number is larger one. That's why I am writing second one first. Now second number minus second number square minus first number square is equal to, the difference between these two is 56. Difference of these two number is 56. Now second number is x plus 2 whole square minus first number is x whole square is equal to 56. Now here we have to use the formula a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b minus x square as it is equal to 56. X whole square will be x square. 2 whole square will be 4. 2 into 2 4 into x 4x minus x square is equal to 56. Now plus x square and minus x square will get cancelled. So what is the remaining term here? 4 plus 4x is equal to 56. So 4x is equal to 56 minus 4. On subtracting them, 4x is equal to 52. Now this 4 will come in divide. So x is equal to 52 divide 4. These two will get cancelled. So final answer of x is equal to 30. What you have to find in the question? You have to find the numbers. How many numbers we are having? 2 numbers. So first odd number is x and x answer is 30. Second odd number x plus 2. 13 plus 2 15. So 15 is the answer. So like this you have to do question number second. Now come to question number fourth. Question number fourth. first part. If the same number is added to 2, 4, 14 and 22, the resultant number are in proportion. Find the number. So first of all we will assume let the number is equal to x. Now in 4 numbers we had added x. So first number will become, earlier it was 2. What was the first number? 2. When we will add here x, it will become 2 plus x. Second number was 4. When we will add here x, it will become 4 plus x. Third number 14. When we will add x, it will become 14 plus x. Fourth number 22. When we will add x, it will become 22 plus x. Now these 4 numbers are in proportion. It is given in the question. Proportion means first number upon second number equal to third number upon fourth number. Proportion means the ratio of first and second is same as ratio of third and fourth. Now we have to put the value 2 plus x upon second 4 plus x is equal to third 14 plus x upon fourth 22 plus x. Now in the next step we have to do cross multiply. This is a divide, here it will come in multiply. So how we will write? 2 plus x multiply 22 plus x. This number also will come here in multiply. So equal to 14 plus x into 4 plus x. 14 plus x into 4 plus x. Now we have to open the bracket. So how we will multiply? This 2 multiply with full bracket. 2 multiply 22 plus x. Plus x multiply 22 plus x equal to 14 multiply full bracket 4 plus x multiply full bracket 4 plus x. Now in the next step we have to open the bracket. 2 into 22 44 plus 2 into 2 into x plus 2x into 22 22x plus x into plus x square is equal to, now we will come to right hand side. 14 into 4 56. 14 into x 14x plus x into 4 plus 4x plus x into plus x square. Now on the left hand of equal to sign plus x square is there, on the right hand side also plus x square, so both will get cancelled. Plus x square and plus x square will get cancelled. Now 44 plus 2x and plus 22 will become plus 24x is equal to 56 plus 14 plus 4x will become plus 18x. Now this 18 you will bring on left hand, so 24x minus 18x. 44 you will bring on right hand, so equal to 56 plus 44 will become minus 44. Now we will subtract them. 6x is equal to, on subtracting them we will get 12. X is equal to 12 upon 6. So on cancelling them we are getting x is equal to 2. So what was the question? Question was, what is the number which we have to add here in all these 4? So what we had added here? X we had added. So what is the answer of x? X is 2. So the number which we have to add is 2. So like this you have to do question number 4, first part. Now all of you see question number 6. Question number 6. In a 2-digit number, the digit at 10 place is 4 times the digit at unit place. So here hint is given. Hint is for 10 place digit. What is given in the question? The digit in the 10 place is 4 times. So 10's place digit we know very well, it is given in the question, it is 4 times. So unit place digit is not given. So what we will do, we will assume let the digit at unit place is equal to x. We will assume the digit at unit place is equal to x. Now digit at 10 place is 4 times the digit at unit place. So digit at 10 place is given in the question. Digit at 10's place is equal to 4 times, that means 4 multiply digit at unit place. Digit at unit place. So 4 multiply digit at unit place is x. So that means 10 place digit is 4x. Now we have to write original number. Original number. Formula for number is 10 multiplied with 10 place plus unit place. Why we are writing this formula 10 multiplied 10 place plus unit place? Let me give you one example. 2-digit number. Let's say 35. I had written 35. 35 I can write as 3 multiplied 10 plus 5. Another example, 56. This is a 2-digit number. 56 means 5 multiplied 10 plus 6. In both the example you will observe this place this is the unit place. Unit place, unit or ones place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 you had already studied in the Indian system. So this is the ones place. Ones means unit place. This is tens place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 like this you are solving in the lower classes. Same way. This is the unit place. This is the 10 place. So what we have done? 3 multiplied 10. 3 means 10 place. So here 10 multiplied 10 place we are doing. And in addition what we are adding? 5 we are adding. What is 5? 5 is unit place. Here also you can check. 10 multiply 5. What is this 5? 5 is the tens place. This is the tens place. Ones, tens. So this is the 10 place. 6 is the ones place, or you can say unit place. So unit place we are adding. So what is the formula? 10 into 10 place plus unit place. This is 10 into 3. 3 means 10 place digit plus unit place digit. Here also you can check, same formula is coming. So that's why you have to remember this formula. Formula for 2-digit number is 10 into 10 place plus unit place. Now we have to put the value. 10 into 10 place is 4x plus unit place is x. 40x plus x will become 41x. This is the original number. Now in the question what is said? If the sum of the digit is 10. Sum of digits according to question. Sum means plus. Sum of the digits. 2 digits we are having. 10 place digit and unit place digit. Sum of these two is 10. So 10 place digit, what is the 10 place digit? 4x plus unit place digit x is equal to 10. 4x plus x, 5x is equal to 10. So x is equal to 10 upon 5. These two will get cancelled. So x is equal to 2. We are having the answer of x. What do you have to find? Question, find the number. What is the number? This is the number, original number. So now we have to write the answer of original number. Original number is equal to original number 41x. That means 41 multiply x value. X value is 2. Then we will get 82 as the final answer. So this is the final answer of question number 6. Now come to question number 8. Question number 8. 8th question. The sum of digit of a two-digit number is 6. What is given? The sum of both the digits is equal to 6. So we will assume, let the digit at unit place is x. Now sum of digits, sum means plus. Which digits? 10 place digit plus unit place digit is equal to 10. Sum of digit is 10. So both the digits we had added and we had written here in the equal to 10. Unit place is x. 10 place digit we will find now. So we don't know, we will write it as it is equal to 10. So 10 place digit is equal to 10 minus x. Now original number we will write. Original number. Original number formula is 10 multiplied 10 place plus unit place. 10 into 10 place. 10 place is 10 minus x. So in bracket we have to write, because 10 multiply with 10 place we have to do, and 10 place is 10 minus x. So we will write in the bracket plus unit place is x. Now we will open the bracket. 10 into 10 will be 100 minus 10 into x will be 10x plus x. 100 minus 10x plus x will be minus 9x. So this is the original number. Now what is the question? If 18 is subtracted from the number, according to question, what is the question? If 18 is subtracted, so minus 18 we will do. In which number we have to subtract this 18? If 18 is subtracted from the number, from number we have to subtract 18. Which number? This original number. So original number minus 18 when we will do, then our answer will be equal to, what is the answer? In the answer he is saying in the question, the answer will be, digits of the number are interchanged. Then answer will be, digits will be interchanged. That means formula we will change now. Digit we will interchange. These are the two digits. We will interchange them. 10 multiplied 10 place was the formula or original formula for original number is 10 into 10 place plus unit place. But now when we had subtracted 18, the formula is changed. 10 into 10 place we will not write. We will write 10 into unit place plus 10 place. Why we had changed the formula? This is the actual formula. But now we will interchange the digits. Why we will interchange the digit? In place of 10 place we are writing unit place. In place of unit place we are writing 10 place. Why we will interchange the digit? Because it is given in the question. When from the original number we will subtract 18, then in the answer digits of the number will get interchanged. So we had interchanged the digits. Now original number is 100 minus 9x minus 18 is equal to 10 into unit place. Unit place is x plus 10 place. 10 place is 10 minus x. 100 minus 18 we will do. 100 minus 18 will be 82 minus 9x is equal to 10 into x, 10x plus 10 minus x. 10x minus x will be 9x plus 10. 82 minus 9x as it is. Minus 9x will come on right hand. So it will be written as 82 plus 10 will come here, minus 10 is equal to 9x plus 9x. 9x plus 9x, 18x. 82 minus 10 will be 72. 72 divide 18 is equal to x. Now we will cancel them with the table of 4. With the table of 18. 18 4 ja 72. So x answer is 4. What do you have to find? You have to find the number. So we have to find original number. Original number is this one. This is the original number. So we have to write here number is equal to 100 minus 9x equal to 100 minus 9 into x. X value is 4. 100 minus 36. On subtracting it, we will get 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 3 6. 64 is the original number which you have to find here in this question number 8. But in the answer sheet it is coming 42. So let me check this again. Where is the mistake? The sum of the digits is, oh sorry, here I had done a mistake. Here in the question 10 is not there. In the question it is given the sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 6. In place of 10 you have to take 6. Then you will get same correct answer. So no need to worry, method is correct. In the same way you have to solve. The only difference is in place of 10 you will take 6. Then you will get the correct answer here. Okay. So like this you have to do question number 8. Now rest of the questions I will explain you in the next video. So you all have to finish these questions up to 8 in your fair notebook.